In this video, I'm going to show you how to view options chart on ThinkorSwim. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the charts tab up top, and then here you just want to basically open up any chart, doesn't matter, and you want to give it a specific number. I'm going to give it number 3 over here, and make sure you do remember this because we are going to color code it and link it to the specific option, okay? So to now do this, I'm on 3, you then want to go to trade, and you want to open up the option chain. I have the option chain for Tesla over here, and I'm just going to find a random option over here, and whenever you find the one that you actually want to display on chart, right click anywhere on it and then click on send to over here, and then just select the same color and number you of course selected on your chart earlier. So for me it was blue. I'm gonna click on 3 blue, and if I now go to the chart again, there we go. As you can see, I can now view that specific option on the chart over here in ThinkorSwim. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.